What up guys, Digital Slang, welcome back. So I have this huge box right next to me, so we're gonna unbox it. It's a subwoofer and soundbar from Pheanoo. Now they did send this to me to check out and review. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna listen to it, see how it sounds. Budget-friendly subwoofer and soundbar, only 129 bucks on sale, 50 bucks off I believe right now. So it will change over time, but I'll drop the link. You can get the latest pricing on it, but we're gonna see if it's worth it. Check it out, right? Budget-friendly subwoofer and soundbar. Definitely the biggest thing I've ever unboxed on the channel. I do have the wide angle lens set up for the overview, as you guys can see, well, here now. Let's check it out. We're gonna unbox it, get into it, see what's in the box. So to get into this guy, we are going to pop a couple things to pop off the top here. And inside of here, we do get a box with some stuff in it, and we will see what is inside of there. Now something else on here to, I think we got to push it out through the bottom. So if we spin this guy around, we can cut this bottom open. Put that blade to the side, and now I think we're gonna slide it out from this side. I got stuff falling all over the place. So yeah, so it comes out from here. Man, need a bigger table. So this will slide out. There's the subwoofer. And then this long box here will be the sound bar. And that is everything in the box. So we can put this guy to the side. Get that out of the way. Here is the sound bar. We don't need that anymore. We don't need that. Alright, looks actually really nice. Get this wrap off of here. So there it is, glossy black finish on here, and man, that thing looks really sharp, really nice. I'm digging that. It does have the branding here, their logo. Where else? On the side here, see if we can get this. I'll get some pictures of it. On the side, there are 3 buttons here on the edge. Power button and the volume up, volume down button, and then a USB port. And inside of here, we're gonna have our HDMI that goes directly to your TV. And I believe that's what's in these boxes. I believe they give us all the cables we need. So really good there. Your optical connection here, you can go optical and plug that directly into your TV if you wanted to. You do have a port for your auxiliary cable, and then this is where you will connect your power. And also on the back of here, there are 2 slots here, and I believe this will also come with a template where you can mount this to the wall if you prefer to do that. I am not going to mount this to the wall. This will sit directly in front of my TV over the fireplace. Now let's take a look at the actual subwoofer. Now my wide millimeter lens up top here is a little dark, so I'm going to change out. Now that the big huge box is out of the way, I'm going to put the other lens back in so we can get a little better viewing, a little more light in here so you guys can have a better view of what this actually looks like. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. Now you guys can see exactly how this soundbar looks. It's super clean. It looks really good. I'm going to put this to the side. We're going to check out the subwoofer here. Anytime we can save a buck and get some really good quality sound. If you watch the reviews on YouTube about this, there are a bunch of them up already. It does have really good sound. So this is the actual subwoofer. Very simple, very clean, not much to it. Now this finish on here, it is more of a matte black finish. And you can see this is your cover for the bass. So we should get some really good sound out of here. I believe the driver on here is 5.5 inches. So maybe some good bass out of here. And then this is just going to be the plug that plugs directly in to the sound bar, and then the sound bar into the TV. And that will be basically it. So we're gonna see what else. Let's check out this box really quick. See what else we got with it. So a little card from Pheanoo. Let's see what's in the card. So they do send a thank you card, a warranty card so you can sign up. Man, that looks sharp too. Very high class cards here. I dig the black with the bronze. That looks really good. So thank you card. And that's basically it. What is this? You can get a free gift, some kind of free gift if you go onto this website and click the link. Put that stuff to the side for now. So here we got the setup guide. We do get a setup guide. The soundbar system, the P27 2.1 CH soundbar system. This is the user's manual. So setup guide, a user's manual, and I believe there's a wall template in here too to connect it and mount it to the wall. Now this is the accessory box. Let's see what kind of accessories we get. So we get a bunch of stuff. We get some gloves. They do give us some gloves so we don't get fingerprints. This is a glossy black, so you're gonna get fingerprints on it. Now this is some, not really sure what this is. It's just some strips with adhesive on it. I guess it's like, I don't know what they are. We'll see what they are. What is this? This is your optical link, your cable for that. This is your auxiliary cable, and then your HDMI. How often do you get a budget anything that include an HDMI cable? Very cool. And yes, so here we have the mounting template for the wall. Now this should be the remote. So yeah, this is going to be the remote control. That will control your soundbar. So very cool. Now one thing I do not have is batteries. So I might be running to the store. I'm gonna need some AAA batteries in here. So we're gonna go get some batteries and we're gonna connect this sucker. Hook it up to the TV, see how it sounds. I'll be right back. All right guys, we're back, we're all connected, and I do have it running through Bluetooth. We are connected that way. There are other ways you can connect it, and they do supply you with all of the cords, HDMI, optical, however you want to run it. But for now, I just have it set up, the soundbar is set up, the subwoofer is set up, and we're gonna play some music through Bluetooth, and you can check it out. It does get very loud. There is some really good bass. The highs and the mids are clear. This is a great deal at a great price if you're on a budget and you need some better sound for your entertainment at home. So check out some music. I'm just gonna play some songs. Alright guys, the Pheanoo soundbar and subwoofer, a really good budget-friendly entertainment system for your home to improve your sound. Really good bass, it gets very loud. You do have that thump, that punchiness that I like especially, and the highs and the mids are crystal clear. It sounds really good listening to music, watching movies, whatever you want to do. Again, they do supply all of the cables that you need to connect it in any way you need to. So check it out. I'll drop the link below. But if this is your first time here checking out Digital Slang, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. It would be much appreciated. Check out my other channel, Slangcast, weekly podcast style videos as well as live streams every Friday night. Join us tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern. We will be live on Slangcast. That's it for the video, guys. The Pheanoo subwoofer and soundbar. That's it, guys. Stay safe. I'll be back soon. Peace.